YouTube, what's going on? Kevin the Tech Ninja here, and today we're building a smart home using Amazon Alexa. Even if you're not using Amazon Alexa, these objects also work with Google Home too, so don't worry. Whether you're building a new smart home or adding to it, these are some of the items you should check out this year. In my opinion, I think lighting is the most important thing, and with that, we're gonna start off with my favorite light switch from Legrand. If you don't know Legrand, they've been around for a very long time in the lighting industry. I've actually purchased a lot of their products for my own personal house. So when they reached out to sponsor this episode, I said yes. I did a full video featuring them already, and that is linked down below. What makes the light switches from Legrand different than other light switches you see online is that they're actually made by a light switch company and not a tech company trying to make light switches. And that shows with the quality of product. This is a true premium light switch through and through. They pay attention to so much detail and it's just well thought out. So for example, on the dimmer switch, when you turn the light off, you see the little lights cascade down. It's just a small touch that adds to the overall feel. There's also a rocker switch too, which has a simple off and on function. This light is also compatible with HomeKit, Samsung Arc, which in turn works with SmartThings. So it's ready to go no matter which services you actually use. You can use their app to interact with the light and set up schedules and other customization options too. But of course, since this is a Amazon Echo video, it does support Amazon Echo and also Google Home. Connecting it to Google Home or Echo is as simple as adding the skill from the menu and then add it to a room. At this point, you can now tell your voice assistant to turn off a certain room or name the certain light, and that's all there is to it. So check out Legrand's collection from the link below. Next, we're gonna talk about Amazon's newest Echo Plus. This is the second gen version of it, and these things have been flying off the shelf as it's never in stock. This does everything that the smaller Echoes do, however, it has a really good speaker attached to it. The speaker inside is Dolby Play 360 audio. The voice response, as expected, is extremely good, and it has an impressive microphone array that can hear your voice from a distance. And it also has some surprising bass response. Of course, it does have the Amazon Echo features baked in that you'd come to expect, so you can ask it the weather, buy things on Amazon, listen to music on over a dozen apps, and of course, control your home. Here's a quick audio sample. I would love to know what you think. For $150, this is a great speaker, and then when you include in the Amazon Alexa support, it becomes even better speaker. Staying in line with Amazon, this is Amazon's smart plug. It's a $25 smart plug giving you the ability to control it with your voice. There are cheaper ones in the market, but this one is for Amazon, made by Amazon, first-party hardware. It's compact and doesn't require any additional apps to set up. Plug it in, you scan the QR codes. Once that's done, you name it, and that's all there is to it. I have almost a dozen different types of smart plugs out there, and some are easier or harder to actually pair. Although it's a few dollars more than other plugs that I found on the market, some of the budget ones have these applications that are extremely hard to use and even have issues pairing. This one is made by Amazon and I've had no issues with it setting it up, and it's just extremely responsive too. And I think it's worth the extra couple bucks. Also, if you look at the reviews, there's really great reviews on this too, so you should know that you're getting a quality product, and especially it's first party from Amazon. Now, smart plugs are very great when it comes to lamps and little lights and things like that in your house that you really don't feel like turning off and on. And last but not least is the smart Wi-Fi table lamp. This is a table lamp that I thought looked pretty cool. It's 1 foot tall and it changes colors. To change the color, it does require the app, but the voice control gives you the ability to turn it off and on. And speaking of colors, it does over 1 million colors. You have all sorts of shades when you're in the app just by moving the little wheel around. Of course, it has schedules and it has other alerts built into the application, so if you want to fine tune it, have it turn on at dusk, have it turn off at dawn, or anything like that, you can do that right through the app. But if you're using Google Home, you can assign it to a room once again, or give it a specific name to tell it to turn off and on right from your voice. It also includes an E27 bulb, and it has a decent cord length at 5.2 feet for the price of $30. It's not a bad get for a solid desk lamp that is also smart too. And there it is, guys. Once again, thank you so much for Legrand for making this video happen. And as always, you can check out all of their products down below, and also my previous video, which is gonna pop up right here. Anyways guys, Kevin the Tech Ninja, have a great day. I'll talk to you guys later.